The Lyre's non-alcoholic bee's knees. This one's a favourite of mine. I'm going to show you how to do it. Step 1, you're going to grab yourself a Boston shaker, and then we're going to pour right into that 30 millilitres of fresh lemon juice, 15 millilitres of orange infused honey syrup, and then 50 millilitres of Lyre's non-alcoholic London dry spirit. Oh yeah, delicious stuff. Give that a shake up with ice, and then we're just going to strain that out into a chilled stemmed glass. And then if you want to make the Love Heart lemon garnish, which I make, grab yourself a lemon, same one as before. Step 1, cut yourself off a large peel. Step 2, trim that into a rectangle. Then we're just going to cut lengthways through that rectangle, and you should be able to bend it into a love heart and pin that in place with a cocktail stick. And then you can garnish your Lyre's non-alcoholic bee's knees with love. Look at that. Enjoy.